This is Ariana with University of Cincinnati Clermont College. Today we're going to talk about the basics of fractions. So let's look at the vocabulary of fractions. We'll first write an example. Let's do 2 over 3. So that 2, we call that our numerator. The 3 is going to be our denominator. And then that line in between, we like to call that our fraction bar. And you'll notice that that fraction bar is also a symbol for division. So what do these other parts mean? Well, our denominator of the fraction shows the number of equivalent parts in the whole. And then our numerator shows how many parts are being considered. So in this fraction, I have 3 parts, and 2 of the parts are being considered. So let's look at some other types of fractions. You'll often hear the difference of a proper fraction, and you'll also hear an improper fraction. Well, what's the difference? In a proper fraction, if the numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator, it's considered proper. A proper fraction is less than 1 whole. So what are some examples? 5 over 8, 3 over 5, 23 over 24. Notice that none of those equal a whole. Everything is less than 1 whole. So let's look at some differences in our improper fractions. And we consider that is when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. The fraction is improper. So that means the improper fraction is greater than or equal to 1 whole. So 6 over 5, 10 over 10, 115 over 25. Those are considered improper fractions. So those are our basics and our vocabulary. Our next videos will work on some other applications. See you then.